Hello friends, welcome back to my channel QA testing tips. So today I have come with another video with the important topic, which is how you can create a ATS-friendly QA resume. So basically, you need to understand here that how much your resume is important to just filter into the HR search, right? So basically, I will share you a step-by-step guide over here so that you can just create a very good ATS friendly resume. So friends, like if you are a fresher or you want to switch into the career or even you are an experienced QA professional, but unfortunately your resume is not getting shortlisted, so definitely this video will change everything because today I will show you how you can create a ATS friendly QA resume, and I will share you the step by steps so that you can just see how you need to create a QA resume, what all things you need to add into the QA resume so that you can actually get interview calls. Fine. So first we need to understand what is ATS. So basically ATS is Applicant Tracking System, which is a software. Right now, most of the companies are just finding the resumes. They are reading the resumes not manually, but through this tracking system software, right? So the companies are using these to filter the resumes, and if your resume is ATS readable, then definitely it will be a, quickly scanned. Okay? And if ATS cannot read your resume properly, it could be rejected even before HR sees it. Okay? So you need to understand this. Okay, so now like you need to know what all common mistakes that you guys do during creation of your ATS resume. So the common mistakes that resume fails are just fancy designs and tables that we put into the resume. Some of the graphics, and we also just miss some important job keywords. So we need to understand that how much keywords are important in resume, because through these keywords only your resume gets shortlisted. And sometimes you add the images and icon, which is not good. So we need to avoid this as well. And last but not least, the wrong job title. So if even you are a good candidates, resume might be get rejected because of these common mistakes, which is ATS unfriendly. Okay. So how we can create a best ATS resume format? So for that, what we need to do? We need to do we need to keep a simple format, simple layout, which can be the Word or PDF, any format. Then we need to use a very clear single column format with the clear headings. And then we need to use the standard fonts like Arial or Calvary, and always keep the text into the black color, and always keep the background white into the resume. So this all will make your resume readable by ATS and HR. And please avoid any graphics or icons or images into the resume. Okay, so what must have into your resume? Uh, so here, your resume should include a summary, professional journey you have. Then what all the main core QA skills you have, technical core skills that you need to add. Then you need to add the experience of the projects if you have. And then you need to add your academics journey, like what all the academics you have, and along with that, the certification, if you have earned any certificate. So please do not add any unnecessary sections like hobbies or the personal details. That is not necessary into the resume. Okay, so what all the important QA keywords for ATS? So basically, you need to understand that what exactly you need to cover into those all segments. So first in the QA summary, your summary should be short and keyword rich. Mention your role and experience clearly. And let's say, for example, detailed oriented software tester with experience in manual testing, test cases design, and defect tracking using Zira. This should be your first QA summary, right? Then, like if you talk about the keywords, so definitely you need to mention the key skills related keywords into that, just like manual testing, test case design, SDLC and STLC, and then Zira or any other specific tool like SQL, SQL, API testing, automation basics, whatever you skills you have. So that you can mention over there as a keyword. And also just you can add some like methodologies like Agile or Scrum, so that you can understand. You can like add into your resume as a keyword. And remember, like always match the skills with the job description. This is a key tip for you. So first you need to thoroughly read the job description, and based on that you need to create keywords for your resume. Okay. So, like next, if you are adding the like experience or the project section, so how you can add? So, if you are experienced, you can mention like real project work with clear responsibilities. If you are a fresher, you can add academics or a self-practice projects. You can use the bullet points and action words like tested, validated, executed, reported. So these all important keywords that you need to add during the defining of your experience in the project. So keywords matters. That's what I said. Like we need to understand always that the importance of the keyword, because ATS works on the keywords only. Before applying, read the job description, which is very important, and include the same keywords into your resume. Okay. This is a very important tip for you. Do not copy paste any keyword blindly. Okay. Use the keywords smartly so that your resume can match with those keywords along with the job description. So as I mentioned that you need to avoid some mistakes that we generally do, like graphics, photos, icon, charts, logos, tables, and text boxes. The spelling mistakes, typo errors, though that is very important. You need to just cross check for the spelling errors in the long and like also avoid the long paragraphs into the resume. So your resume must have only 1 or 2 line maximum with the summary level, and keep your resume maximum of 1 to 2 pages, not more than that. Like your resume must be not very lengthy. Okay, so the pages should be max 1 to 2. So as I said, like you need to just keep in mind as a final resume checklist. So you need to know what all the simple format, correct keywords, and readable fonts, no design elements, and relevant skills only required. If all these are there, your resume is ready, which is ATS friendly. Okay, so like if you want a free ATS friendly QA resume template, so please you can just comment on to the comment box QA resume. And here I would give you more steps like you can customize resume for each job. This is very important. You need to practice interview questions. You need to apply from LinkedIn or Naukri, the registered portals, and like you need to keep your learning on a day-to-day basis. Okay, so these all is important tips and the steps to move forward with the cracking the jobs and interviews. Okay, here I would give you one more is tips like if you want a like quick job interview call, definitely you need to be thorough with your resume. So that is very important. Okay, so this is all for this ATS friendly resume guide. Subscribe my channel, QA tips, and don't forget to add your comment if you have any question. And please wait for the new QA jobs video which will come in every week. So don't miss them. Thank you for watching the